everyone, happy Monday. We have a lot of cleaning to do this morning. Crazy busy weekend, so we were in and out of the house nonstop, and our house got really messy. So, quick preview. Super embarrassing for me, but whatever. It's life. Our house is a mess. 2 chips. Okay, awesome. You guys ready to clean? Yeah. And then we can party. Are you gonna help us, Canyon? Eating parade candy? Okay, let's clean.
I made a zoo and it was dinosaurs and birds and hippopotamuses and dogs and penguins. And penguins in there.
Cool.
And horses and sheep.
That's awesome, bud.
And cows.
And giraffes.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Hi. Hi. I love you. I love you. Hi.
Pew. Hi. Why do you never smile when I pull out the camera? That's not fair.
So we're going to Nana's house and we're going to play and have fun. Are you excited, Canyon? Yeah. Me and Carson have a club at her house, but it isn't like me and his club. They're separate. I'm the leader of my club and Carson is the leader of his club. Canyon has a hideout in the jungle, and that's Canyon's hideout.
Hi, kitty. Where's your baby? Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Tiny, can you tell Nana bye-bye?
Give him a drink.
Woohoo! Just got home from work. Wife's making some delectable foods.
I don't know if it's selectable, it's just easy.
Chips and beans.
No.
It's gonna be something
Wait for
good.
the finished product, please.
Okay, I'm excited. I'm hungry.
We're taking cheese.
You're eating all the cheese. Stop
Yeah.
eating all the cheese.
No.
Hey,
Okay, stop.
One
I
more.
need that.
Canyon just dumped milk all over the floor, huh? You cleaning it up?
Yeah.
Good job.
We don't do that, do we, buddy?
Yeah, we don't throw milk on the ground, do we?
FM.
Good job. Keep cleaning it up. There's a bunch right over there. Over there. Yep. Get it. What do we got, Coda? Guacamole. Guacamole.
And a giant pan of nachos.
Oh yeah! So we just walked into the boys yelling about a jelly donut. Here's a little taste. Yeah, it's like everywhere. Pretty much all over the place. On the carpet. Kenny's not very happy. Did you do this?
Hey, you're in trouble. That was naughty.
Yeah.
Should you guys have done that with the jelly?
No.
Was it nice or naughty?
Naughty.
Okay, so what do we say when we do something naughty?
Sorry.
Okay, I love you guys. Let's not do that again, okay?
Okay.
Love you.
Love you.
Can we count?
Yes. That.
Okay, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Are you cute?
8.
8 and 5?
8.
High five?
Yes.
I love you. 1,
2,
2,
2,
2.
Tickle the little brother.
What do I believe? What makes me feel
Tickle no brother.
to write you this song? 2 hours a day, 5 months in a year. Oh, I loved you too long. You keep blowing me.
I can tickle you. Oh, you're sunburned? So it's Monday night and I'm supposed to be at Zumba. Sorry, Dory. I lost track of time and McKinley's gonna wanna eat any second, so I can't leave right now. But does anyone else have the guilty pleasure of The Bachelor, Bachelorette? I have to watch it every week. So, I'm gonna sit here and watch The Bachelor. Ow! Don't hit me!
I cannot
Ow! Okay, you better run.
till it breaks. Oh, how my heart aches. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt?
Oh boy, there you go.
Why do you still hurt?
Trying to light him up.
We're going to plane race. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're going. Whoa.
Still rolling the dice, still
We're winning.
find future for me.
Let's go, guys.
I'm still in this fight. I'm ready for the night to go easy on me.
I'm flying.
You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt?
It's always
Why do you still
Stub your toe. Ooh, yeah. Bleeding out of the toenail. Think you'll survive?
No.
Oh, no. Okay. Well, you got an injury.
Yeah.
Think it's a good day? Did you have a good day, dude?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good one. We got lots of fun stuff coming up this week, so stay tuned. Like us, subscribe, do all that jazz.